in the in the workshop, and until the end, I will send the link so you can fill up your information to get this e-certificate. Yes, as I mentioned, our trainer for today is Dr. Rashid Karim. He is a lecturer in School of Computing and Informatics in Al-Bukhari International University, and he is a specialist in system analysis, database, and he's an authorized trainer. He's also expert in managing software projects and services re-engineering and business system analysis design, database design, and organizational data maintenance, services, service quality assurance. I hope you will enjoy being with him to get all the benefits and how to make a full use of LinkedIn. Mr. Rashid, the floor is yours.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah,
Wa alaikum assalam.
and good morning, everyone. Uh, my I'm showing my gratitude to all my colleagues, my dean, my vice chancellor in AIU University. And thing is, today is I'm not giving a lecture. Rather, I will uh, teach you or train you how to create a professional LinkedIn profile for your better career. So I'm sharing my screen first, then I just continue. Can you see? Please respond, anyone.
That's okay.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Rashid.
Okay. Okay, thank you very much. So this initiative is, I appreciate this initiative from Social Business Design Lab. I thanks our Dean, Dr. Suraya, who had employ or take as advisor of this zero unemployment cluster. So I have interest on that because uh, a couple of years I'm basically using my expertise on building human resource in technological field, obviously. So today, basically, professional LinkedIn profile I'm giving you. You know, the social media, we have a huge number of social media, among them Facebook, Twitter, so many social medias is there. But the social media we're using basically for any purpose. But the LinkedIn is especially focused on the professional networking. So for your betterment of the career, so LinkedIn is a number one, the world largest professional network platform. It's a platform. I'm telling you, it's a platform because it's not only giving you the communication. You have so many things in this platform. So you can use LinkedIn to find the right job or internship, or connect or strengthen professional relationship. Not only for the job seeker, you can have, if you want to be an employer or maybe your own business, you should have at least a LinkedIn profile so that you can get the right people from the world. And you can learn the skills even to succeed in your career. There are a lot of skills we require beside our university education system to comply with the real life job. So this is basically LinkedIn, and LinkedIn is, this coverage is more than 200 countries now. Nearly, not nearly. This statistics is from for month before, but now it's exceeding this 450 million members worldwide. So I'm focusing you that the people spend time on other networks, but they invest time on LinkedIn. Why? Because if you put any comment or anything, in your LinkedIn profile that will carry your career, that will carry they will give you value in future. So very shortly, the benefits of LinkedIn in your career. It's a great professional network opportunities. LinkedIn profile builds and demonstrate your knowledge, credibility, and leadership expertise, and you will keep yourself up to date on your job opening. And LinkedIn has a great job board, so gain exposure to hire managers and recruiters. So use your LinkedIn as a research tool also. So you can gain social proof that your skill and talent. That means in Facebook, you just give a post in Facebook like a selfie, or casual thing is going on at the Facebook, but it's a very professional platform, so that you can put anything, your skills, any talents, any activity in your education, even in your you are in job. You can create your LinkedIn profile far better than before. So you can join any professional LinkedIn group. There are tremendous volume of groups is there, which is very interesting for your own career. So you can join there. You can learn from them. You can get notification from the current affairs of that group. So there are a lot of, not list this one. So who can join this LinkedIn? So LinkedIn is a platform for everyone who is looking for advance their career, not a casual, it's a professional. This can include people from various professional background, such as small business owners, students, job seekers, anyone can join. So LinkedIn members can use LinkedIn to tap into the network of professionals, companies, groups within the beyond of your industry. So here you can show your potential to create your personal branding. So as this is the workshop, I'm going in different way. This is not talk only. You have to create your own profile within this workshop so that we can take away something to home. So thing is, this point I will cover. So each and every point I will show you, and you will do with me. I will give you time after performing my one every each, and then you will perform you. Then we will have questionnaires, or if you have any difficulties to do that, so you can ask any question. You can share your screen so that we can give you suggestions, or you can give you solutions for this problem you're facing. Okay, so let's start the first one. So choose the right profile picture for LinkedIn, because this is a professional. You cannot take any picture like this. This is a profile picture. This is a professional profile picture. So what the professional profile picture you should have in your profile, that is, I put some criteria. The profile picture is your calling card. Face is telling something, whether you will get call or not, your face will tell. So people introduce you, and it governs their impression from the start, from your face, your attitude. The small picture can tell so many things about you. So pick a photo that looks like you. That means it will focus you. That is you. So make sure your face takes up at least 60% of the frame. So don't put the very far away picture from me. You are very small in your profile picture. No. So their face should be, the face should be 60% frame, and use the high resolution image so that it will be lucrative for others. And wear that you would like to wear to work. That is the professional dress up. And smile with your face. So I put the right photos in the left side, and the wrong basically and the right side. You should not. It's a casual photo. You should not do that. So let's start. Let's start. I'm just starting from the very beginning. How to open LinkedIn. So get ready and please, uh, please open your computer or mobile phone or anything that will be okay. Before going that, I'm I'm telling you that the LinkedIn has the web browser enabled. LinkedIn has mobile app. You can download LinkedIn from Google Play Store, as well as the Apple Store, and also in the desktop in Windows 10 we have the desktop application for LinkedIn. So whatever you can use, you can do anything, but start now. Okay, application will go. That is a tedious job to correct way up. What is the correct way up? Yes. Now I need to put my password. Oh no, I forget about it. I need to join first. Okay, I need to join first. So what I do, you can use your email, also your mobile phone. Or you can use your well, no, which one? This one? Oh, now it's okay. So I put the one this the recent job title. Okay, I put the lecturer. Employment type is full time. You have to put the company. You see, our university name is there. Oh, there is a confirmation link with their code. I need to check the email. What is this one? Okay. LinkedIn. Okay, this one. This is the authenticity of the profile. Are you looking for job? It's not now. I'm telling you, not now. That means the LinkedIn is taking over hand and navigating you to create a profile. Oh no! I don't want these things. Just keep this one. I don't want to import my contact from the phone. So now, how they know this the persons are should be contacted with me, because of I selected Al Bukhara International University. So you see all the Al Bukhara International University employees and students are there. You can connect to anyone. Okay, connect anyone. I just only one city of visual. Okay, then get connections. Now you have to create your photos. Okay, add photo. So what photo you should do? I'm telling you what photo I should do, isn't it? So I'm creating the university photo. I mean, okay, this one. The photo you can edit some, you can put zoom in, zoom out, and you can put the straight, the straighten. You can because something, if you feel like this is not a straight, that way you can straight it and drag it, because my picture is as a square. That's why it's okay. Okay, save the photo. You can use the visible, visible to whom your photo will be. I'm not showing setting now. Now save it. Also, so the thing is, I told you that photo should be your calling card, and you have to say you have to make it okay. The photo should be look like you and have to 60% of the frame. Is it the 60% of the frame? Yes, my face is almost more than 60%. Then the high resolution, maybe it's a high resolution because it was the photo was took by our university a DSLR camera. So, and I have wear the dress that I should, and a smile, a face. So I'm just smiling. My face is see. So continue. And this is the country I have selected. Or I'll do anything later on, okay? Because I don't want to put everything in my new profile. So you can follow the groups and the persons can, okay, or you can finish it. Now your blank profile, nobody is there. Your blank profile is there. So you need to have home, my network. No one is there in my network. The jobs, I can find my any job here. Then message, that is you can communicate with other person. Notification, whatever any event is going on, if you are interested on, if anyone knocking you, or you can set your profile. This is a view. So up to that, I'm giving you 5 minutes time to, I'm giving you 5 minutes time to complete this one, okay? 5 minutes from now on. This is 11:30. I'm coming back on 11:35. You just create your profile and profile picture.
Yes, everyone, as Mr. Rashid mentioned, that this workshop will be a hands-on sessions that you are going to perform during the time where Mr. Rashid is also doing the thing. So there should be a hands-on that you are going to do the things. So the point that Mr. Rashid explaining and performing, you may need also to perform it in your own profile, where by the end of this session you will be creating your own profile, and we will ask you to send us your profile later on. And if you have any question, please ask our trainer. Even if you can just write your question in the chat box, or you maybe can just unmute yourself. At least you can notify us if you have done the job. If you have created, if you have already put your profile photo, so let us know. and we will keep our workshop a bit active, so there will be two-way communication. This is the way that we should actually conduct the workshops. Otherwise, we are in the class, we can conduct it like more active, but because we have a problem now being in the classes, so we need to make it online. So please notify the trainer if you have done the task. And also, if you have any question, please send it to him or write it in the chat box, please. Thank you.
Maybe time is up. I'm giving you 5 minutes. Do you have any questions, any obstacles, or if facing any problem, so that we can solve your problem? Or if you have already profile, then you can mention it. Okay, I have.
I have a question, Mr. Rashid.
Okay.
I would like to know if is there any difference if I use the LinkedIn on my phone or from the Android app or Apple app or maybe from my computer? Is there any difference or everything is the same?
Yeah, same. Everything is same. So you can download any mobile app to do the same thing, whatever I'm giving you. Because this workshop may be held in lab. Okay, this is the lab session, hands-on. As this is the pandemic situation, so we are going online, everything. So it is very interesting to to handle the participants, whether they are performing well or facing an obstacle. If you uh, intentionally, you just do it by yourself, and if you're facing any problem, just ask me. I'm here to solve any problem. Okay, then I'm going to next point, that is cover photo. So what is basically cover photo? Should be the cover photo, that is the background photo, is a second visual element at the top of your profile page, and it grabs people attention, sets the context, and shows a little more about what matters to you. That means it's a choice of your psychology, also your professions. More than anything, the right background photo helps your page stand out and engage attention to stay memorable. So what should be your cover photo? I just put my cover photo. One, basically, I just want to upload the photo related to my job. So that's I'm putting my university photos like this. You can put this one. See, it reflects that university I'm in, that I need to apply. So whatever profession you have, you can put if I'm a lecturer, I can put a classroom, or I'm giving any lecture on a session, or in any gathering for the university or a convocation hall, something like that. You can put for a educational career. But if you are a corporate carriers, then you can put on different pictures like corporate image, like the office environment or the office building. Mm. Or if you are a technological person, you can put zero ones, the networking. Like you have to choose yourself from the web. I'm not suggesting you that you have to create your own pictures, or you can take a photo from different places related to your career, your profession. Then I'm going to the next one, that is make your headline, or it's a more than just a job title. Job title is a lecturer. Okay, I'm lecturer. It's not giving you the whole episode or the capabilities. So there is no rule that say description of or at the top of their profile page has to be just a job title. So use the headline field to say a bit more about how you see your role and why do you do and what you do and what makes you tick. So why people will attracted you at a glance. And if you have got sales representatives and at your company who you are born in the social selling, then uh, then take a quick look at the profile page headlines. Okay, that means I'm suggesting you take from the concept from your your role is available in the you can get inspiration from their page to make your headline. Okay, and they will almost certainly have more than their job title. So what should be the job title or the headline? Headline is this. Headline is this. This is a headline. Okay, so I will edit this headline. So it's almost I have given this data that I'm doing my job. This is my experience data. So this is the current position you have. This is the headline, but you have to edit this current position in this way. Your headline should be this. So this is lecture Al-Bukhari International University. You can put lecturer, a school, to more specific. A school of computing and informatics at Al-Bukhari International University. You can put different capabilities. Okay, put as a system analyst, system analyst or software tester, like that. This is focusing on a headline that what basically now you are lecturer, you can what are the activities you can perform. Researcher, you can put researcher. So the thing is, just you have created very short, not very long. You have to create your headline so that it will be eye-catching to the professional platform, to the recruiter or to your industry. People will see basically it's a capability is showing this. Very short. It's very short. Because if I take these pictures like to introduce someone, so this is your okay. So now you can do by yourself by only 2 minutes, not more than that, because it's very easy. I'm giving you 2 minutes. So why I'm giving you this minutes to after completion of this session, you will have at least a nice profile, LinkedIn profile.
Sorry, Mr. Rashid.
Yeah.
Any question?
Yeah. Ask
maybe back to the LinkedIn, please.
Yeah, LinkedIn page.
Yeah. Could you please show the LinkedIn page?
This one.
Yeah. I mean the headline that you have just created. Like I would like to ask for like a student who are about to graduate or even already graduated, and he's still maybe not being involved in
And not anything nice. Okay, then they will write, I'm a student in computing school, Al-Bukhari International University. I have completed some projects like this, okay, telling you, okay, I what is called like is there any okay, president, sorry, president, um what is called student forum or any club. And what are the key points? Basically, you have to put the key points so that your profile will be lucrative for the job or for your profession, that you have completed these things. Okay, I'm the researcher on your, put your topic, research on data science. Something like that. Okay, you have to, because you are not still you are a student. So what you do, you have to put your exactly the key points, the lucrative points. So why you are differentiate from other students. So put those keywords so that people will distinguish you from the normal students. Okay,
So
understand?
maybe the student who are like in BBA course, he should write that he's about to graduate or already graduate, or he is a candidate in BBA program
Yeah.
school.
A student of BBA, major in HRM,
Yes.
and have completed what is called employment history, employment trains, trains, okay, in Malaysia.
Or maybe if the students have actually done any voluntary work.
Any voluntary, any voluntary.
This is why we used to encourage all the students to participate in any activities conducted by our university, any voluntary work or any other activities. This is the
Yeah. That is nice. Okay,
later on in the work.
so that your profile will be lucrative to catch at. Okay, this is your capability, this is your attitude to do that. So the people will more put more interest on you to get you, okay, in their profession, in their industry. So I believe you almost done your headlines or piece of your profile. So I'm going to the next one. This is very important. So turn your summary intro into your story. That is your intro. This is your intro. That is summary. Like your summary is your chance to tell your own story. Like in interview board, the interviewer basically asks you to tell me yourself. Okay, tell you about yourself. So what basically, this is the great chance to tell about what you are. So this is your own story. You can put your own story. So don't just use it the list of skills or job titles you have. So tell me specifically more. Okay, try to bring to life why these skills matter and the difference they can make to the people you are work with. That means That means you differentiate yourself. You are focusing on why you are important. So put your skill, not in skills, put your passionate areas, put your contribution, put your something special so that people will you will attract the people that you are right person to this job. And don't be afraid to invest some time. Not I'm giving you the 5 minutes to do that. Not that. You just take more time for later on to customize or to look pretty your story, and try to few drafts and run your summary past people. That means you can show other person, get suggestions whether this is nice or not. So whether this will it will take more improvements or not. And this is your most personal piece. Basically, this is the personal piece of the content of marketing. That means you are selling yourself. This is the selling piece. Okay, this is the selling piece. So I'm showing you what I did. Okay, what I did. uh, I'm showing you my own profile. Hmm? this is my this is about. Basically, this is about means this is the summary. Basically, this is about, it's called summary. Whatever you can tell, this is all about yourself. What I have given, see, the business process automation, software testing process, as well as teaching are my passionate areas. So I'm just for a single statement, I'm giving my expertise and my passionate areas, and my attitude to what basically I feel more comfortable to do that among any other job. Okay. And the second line I put, my greatest strength is managing software project, service re-engineering, business systems analysis and design, database design, organizational data maintenance, service quality assurance. This is my strength basically. So you have to put your strength here, okay? And I'm fond of mentoring and teaching on computing information systems, not on all other areas. This my sector is computing information systems. So I'm doing my mentorship or teaching in these areas. And I have also vast experience on mentoring software testing professional also. Hmm? Osaid, Mr. Osaid,
Yes,
how many minutes I should give them to do that? Who can do before that? You can just put your hands that I have done.
But I would like to know more about business process automation. So can
Yep.
you give me example if we apply it in AIU, how the transformation will be?
System is a business process. The procurement of the students is the business process. What we are doing, whatever we are doing, teaching the education management system is the business process. That is what business basically is doing by this university. This is the core business is education. So I am the expertise on to develop any software systems for this business process, whatever. Thanks, Hibo Muhammad Abdullahi. Can you share us your profile? You can share your screen. Or I'm asking someone, I'm calling one name. He or she will present his task, okay? Arafat Muhammad. Are you there, Arafat? Arafat. Arafat, are you there? Husni Muhammad Rifki, are you there?
Yes, sir. I'm here.
Can you share your screen that you have done?
Okay. Wait a minute. Can you see my screen, sir?
It was come, but not now. Yeah. Now it's okay. Okay. And I'm requesting in my cluster all the advisors to advise him what should be the nice about section. Anyone? Where is your about section? Just to go to about section.
But I
It's
didn't finish
about.
yet. I didn't finish
Oh,
yet
okay.
that part.
No, who? I'm just asking you who has already finished. Okay.
Oh, okay.
So that my intention is when we complete our session, at least we can take some takeaway. Okay. Then should I proceed the next one because already 5 minutes gone.
Yes.
I think they need to spend some time to think about it, Doctor.
Yeah. Because I know
It will
this.
be challenging and it will be like a bearing for everyone. So the one who will write something there, he will need to think about it. But no problem.
Okay.
Maybe we can proceed, and later on, the profile is there, and
We will check.
you can log in anytime, write anything you would like to write, and then if you need any help, we're still here. You can reach us anytime to ask about any help.
Okay. Thank you very much. Then I will go the next session, next section like this one. Let's see the experience section. Okay, the activity will be when you post anything, it will come here. Okay, no problem. But thing is, your experience already. I have created my experience. Well, just as sign up my account is already created. So I'm showing you my original profile to this one. The activity I have already did something. There are so many followers. 6,365 followers I have. So they are watching me, and this is my experience. I'm showing the experience. whatever basically I did the previous one, I'm showing you how I did. So when you just add new experience here, let you have to put the title and put the employment type. Hmm? There is so many, the full-time, part-time, self-employed, freelancer. So whoever think that I'm not still I'm a student, what should I select? It's in a full-time, part-time, not you can put freelancer or contract or internship, apprenticeships, seasonal, so many ways you can attach with the organization. Okay, and the company you are basically if you find anything, if you just write anything, okay, I put a daffodil. You see the daffodil university is going there. So all over the world, so huge company is already in the LinkedIn. Okay, so already LinkedIn. So but if I create my new company, okay, my new company, what is my new company? New new company. Okay, my new company. You can create your new company. No, don't attach with anyone. So when this company name will be published in LinkedIn, so anybody will find your company. Okay, you put the locations, and I'm correct. Currently working in. So start from which date, which month and year, and if you put not this currently, then you will get the start and end date. So and what basically the other positions you have, because already I told them that this is the present, I'm here. So update my industry, the company headline, the description, what you have, basically the job description you have there. And you have the most important thing is, if you have any photos or sites or any documents like publicly visible, or any video clips, you can upload here for your tenure of this of the company, of your job. So I'm showing you one thing what I have done in this my previous one. I was the deputy director software, and as well as the adjunct faculty. So this my full-time job. This the company is linked. I'm the linking the company to that is company is already exist in the, so that people will understand that this is the right company, and this is location is Dhaka in Bangladesh. And I was there from 2007 to 2020 almost. And this is my job description. I put in very short, very short, that my primary role as a head of software section, my team developed the university education system with back office, with back office modules. Okay, and that is running since spring 2008 till present. Okay, till present. And my other job role was I was the adjunct faculty as an assistant professor in Department of Software Engineering in Daffodil International University. And I was the head of the software in Daffodil Software Limited. And I head of the one product is, so the business ERP solution is a renowned product in Bangladesh. So this I was the head of this product also. Very short, I just put my job description so that people will see what basic my capabilities and what I have contributed in that period of time. And if you want to upload and link to any other things supportive, so you can put it there. So for the students, what you will do, you have enrolled with any organization. You can have a club with organizations. I'm the president of this club. I'm the president of this programming competitions. I was this. There's so many things you can write. You can find yourself, or you are in internship and put your internship is there, and what basically you are doing there. You have to write your job description so that people will understand what basically your capability you have. So I'm giving you then how many times? How many minutes? to perform this experience. Not more than 5 minutes. Okay.
Maybe for the students will not take longer than 2 minutes.
Yeah, the students will take only 2 minutes.
Might not be that long, but it's okay that you can add your internship, your own work if you are doing any freelancing thing.
Mm. Yes, anybody with freelancing job inside our university.
Yeah, if you
This,
have done any activities, if you have
mm.
lead any events, any workshops, or if you have done anything, it's very good to include that in your profile. And Mr. Rashid, I just noticed that it is possible that the one can actually in his profile photo
Mm.
not to add a photo, maybe he can add a short video of describing himself.
Yeah, you can do
I
short video also.
come to know that.
Mhm.
This take a very nice
Oh, no,
short.
this session is very basic. Within the very basic time. If I put on more time on only profile, you see, you can here. Where is my okay? Oh no, not this one. I'm showing you my profile. You can at least you can see. I can put my voice there. So how to pronounce my name? Understand? Because people cannot pronounce correctly. We are facing tremendous problem for pronouncing international students. The Myanmar students and the Indonesian students very tough to pronounce their name. So you can put your voice there too, so that people understand what basically your name. See what my people call Rashid. Hmm? So my name is, say this is my name, MD Rashid Korim, not Rashid. Most of the Malaysian people are telling me Rashid. It's a long Rashid, not it's a Rashid. My name is Rashid. So you can put the sound. You can put your you can put a video frames like you can add photos or frames. You can put different frames. Even for the add photo, you can upload and crop. Use camera. So many things you can upload, or you can use a camera. Take a photo. Oh, I need to allow this one. Okay. No, that's not this one. Oh, this camera is off because I'm using in Google Class Meet. That's why his camera is not shared. This is the hardware. So camera can be shared only one application. So Google Meet is using my camera. That's why I cannot use this camera as my taking profile picture. Okay, maybe 5 minutes gone. Have you completed? Those who have a colorful experience in different organizations, they will require more time. But for our students, only maybe it will take two minutes, not more than that. So I'm going to the next point. What is that? Okay, I'm going to the next point. What is? Let me check. Yeah, Hafizul Amin already sent us his LinkedIn profile. It's a nice picture, the profile photo should be, the face should be 60% of the overall. That is mentioned for profile pictures. And about, you see, as a lecturer that have been teaching for 12 years, nice. And I have developed a strong teaching skill and communication skill, nice. Person sent to school, okay, member, okay, nice. That means this is your pitch, that your story of your career. And see the featured, I'm telling this, okay. It focuses on, okay, nice. Thank you, Mr. Hafiz. Muntasir Ahmed. You see the profile picture, nice profile picture, but Muntasir, you should have at least the face should be this type, okay? The face should be 60% of your what is called, or of your profile picture area, 60%. So you can put up to this, okay? So people are not interested to see your watch, your finger. People want to see your eyesight, People see want to see your confidence from your face. So thank you very much. Okay, then I'm going to the next. Some love to see and watch Mr. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Okay. And then another students already sent us his photo. Okay, nice. Where is your about section? Okay, then I'm going to next section, that is education. And obviously everyone has the educations from, I'm just starting from my secondary school. I'm from a secondary school to the Gildhorn University. I'm a graduate from this Gildhorn University. So I'm showing you basically with the data and the field you have achieved. Okay, I put C administration management, whatever suitable for your purpose. Can put computer science, you can put the computer engineering, the computer science. Okay, I'll put the computer science. And the year you have achieved, and the grade, the activity, the activity, and the society. I'm asking for the students, whatever you are doing in your education era in this time, basically in our university, you can put your activities here, that you have learned project-based learning systems. You have do this project. You had a course project on that. You build a software, or you build a business process oriented task for the HR students. You have learned human resource management systems, world-renowned human resource management systems in your education time. And you have to have the description of everything. So this is a very short activities, and this is basically descriptions that we have covered, what the topic, what the courses you have covered in this degree you have when you achieve. And you have uploaded your memories, your documents, photos, sites, videos, whatever. You see if you want to share your network or not, you can turn in on off. Okay, when you upload or any draft, you can put off. Okay, after that you can put on. So So one after another, you can put by your own, your educations, just education record, put it. So I'm giving you how many times, how much, how many minutes for this section? Five minutes. Okay. But before 5 minutes, I just want to watch any other person sharing. Okay, Hafizul, Mr. Hafiz can have this. Hafiz. Okay. Let's see. Hmm. Hmm. See, for my students, see, Hafizul use the volunteer for this organization. You can put volunteer, or you can put internship, whatever you are, because so. Ikramul Bari already submitted. You see, Ikramul Bari has the profile picture, open network, and his the cover photo is seems like he's a CEO of a company. Hmm. And his it's a marketing and advertising. This is the headline, the content marketing, strategic marketing. See, and the about section. I want to see the about section. Seeing the challenging career, seeking the challenging career, and progressive organizations. Okay, so you should not tell the seeking type. Okay, but what you are, what basically you have the capability. You have done, or what you have in your student life, what you have done. That is the key points. You have to mention it. That is that impact in your career, basically. Hmm? That searching the challenging career, that will be your openness for the job. Okay, so you just omit this one. Just put your capabilities. Okay, put your capabilities that you have done.
Okay, okay, sir. Sir, the rest of the part.
And doing marketing, advertising, promoting business in my interest. You should put that you have completed what promotional activities
Okay, okay,
and
okay.
promotional activities for last 2 months, or something like that. Okay.
Is it in here? I mean, the summary part or in the experience part?
This is about yourself. Why people will be interested on you. That is what your passionate area. What is your strength? Then put on that, okay. And you have to prove that you passionate area, okay, I'm giving you a job for this area, if you're interested or not. And one thing is, so what is your strength? That means, oh, I'm looking for this, oh, he is very strong in this sector. So I should at least call you to whether I should check, okay, whether you will are strong enough or not, okay. So you have to put yourself, why I should call you.
Okay.
And the thing is, the experience in Albuquerque, it's an event organizer, nice, okay, fine. And you can put the what basically event you have organized last, for 2 years, 2 years and 5 months, what basically you have done.
Okay.
Because sometimes we feel like, oh, okay, you are what you have done for this 2.5 years you have already passed as an event organizer. So how many events you have organized in Albuquerque International University?
So sir, is it like actually I put like one by one, since this is the experience part, then I
Yeah.
put another part. So that's
Yeah,
like about one program I just put there.
yeah, automatically you can it's just the top one, the latest one should be the first.
Okay.
The latest one should be the first. And the thing is, education you have already, okay, but you have to put the should brief about the courses, curriculums, or special anything. And in your bachelor of business administration and marketing, have you any conducted any marketing survey?
Yes,
In
marketers.
market survey you have conducted, so put it there.
Okay.
Understand?
Yeah, understand.
That will be more meaningful. Dr. Kamalesh asked me, can add brief job description for each position. Yes, that is the brief job description, but very concise. Okay, brief, the key points, and should be achievements also that I have. I have uphold our university image by producing a book. I have doing or I'm taking some course, the course list you have, and the thing is, what is basically impacted on our university or in our society, or if you have anything you have done for the betterment of the student, rather than the normal activities you have, you can put the special things in your job description also. Not regular job description, because the regular job description for the lecturer everybody knows, but what you have contributed in your job, that should be defined or mentioned. Maybe I should go for the next point. Okay. This is the nice one for the industry as well as anywhere, basically licenses and certifications. This license and certifications is extra certificate from beside your normal education systems like university degree. This is the vendor. It's sometimes called the vendor certifications, or sometimes called with the certifications you have. So the certifications, I have completed the Oracle Database 12c, and I have completed my mobile app testing automation, and I have achieved the certified software testing from ISTQB. So I'm showing you what is the topics, see the certificate I have achieved, the foundation level software tester, and it is the body, it's already mentioned, and the body is there. This body basically, the ISTQB. It's in a LinkedIn. So many people use this organization. Issuing organization is the certificate issuing organization, the ISTQB. And this credential does not expire. Okay, some certificate may expire, but this certification does not expire. I achieved this certificate February 2009, and it will not expire because this certificate is not expiration. So if I have any credential like the ID, I can put, or credential URL. If ISTQB publish the certificate verification URL or verification ID, that time I may put the URL, the certification verification URL, so that everybody will understand. Okay, the certificate is really not fake. So, but when I achieved this one, that time the ISTQB did not mention this one, the verification. They didn't build the verification system that time. So, I'm not mistaken. I didn't do anything. Okay. See, can I see any verifications? No, because I didn't do. I should put those fields. Okay. So if you have any certifications, you can create, or any license, like put your name, the license name, and the issuing organizations, and put it this. Okay, it will create a new dimension or new expertise areas, so that people from in the industry will more focus on whether they are specialized on database or specialized on software testing. In this way, the people will hire, because all the students are getting a graduation certificate from the university. The thing is everybody, but what your specialty that you are interested on. So I'm not giving you time to that, because you will upload your own certification later on. Okay, I'm going to the next point, like skills and endorsement. This is important for you, and it will create a recognition from the world anywhere. So you can add a skill, or you can. I have done so many things. I just put my technologicals. I have the ERP experience. I have the object-oriented programming experience, database design, and so. I have some tools and technologies I know. The interpersonal skills. So you can add new one. Okay, new one. Whether you will add skills. Okay. You can find so many things from here, or you can edit the new thing that I have done already. There is some sections. Okay, this is top skills you have, the industry knowledge. Okay, the tools and technologies, interpersonal skills. You can create bio skills, interpersonal skills, other skills you have. So if you just adjust the endorsement setting, you can put, okay, even if you want to make an endorsement or not, the people will recommend you, okay, you are the expert. Okay. So thing is, from my database experience, my database skills, let's check who just endorsed me. Who just endorsed me? Endorse who highly skilled for the database band. Okay. So many we have the endorsement. So that means you are linked with those persons. And if you want to skill up, you can take a quiz from there for whatever your areas. You can find your areas like what is called. Okay, if I put the Java, okay now. Go for the assessment. 15 minutes, multiple choice questions. They will test your strength, knowledge, so that you can participate and you will achieve the certificate from LinkedIn. So it will make a scale up your So thing is, for the database endorsement, I just participate one batch. This is MySQL. I have the MySQL database. I've given this this is great work, and okay, the MySQL. I have completed this one, and I achieved top 15% among 566,000 people among the world. I'm in the first top 15%. Okay, so it's a recognition. Again, people are want to skill up from LinkedIn, so that your profile will be huge. Profile will be rich. Okay, so just add your skills from here. For if you're new, then put it add skills. I'm just watching whether Akramul Bari has some skills. See, English skills, research skills, communication skills. I want to see more. See, and I'm just giving the very good, okay, highly skilled. I just want to endorse him. Okay, I'm giving the recognition that okay, it's a very good. My relationship is the word directly or heard about Akramul Bari, work together, not reported directly, manage. Not in the same organization, it will be, then it's okay. But none of the above. I'm to put the none of the above. I'm submitting this. That means I'm endorsing. I have endorsed Akramul Bari. Okay. So in that, I'm just endorsing this. This endorsement is off by Mr. Hafizul. That's why nobody can endorse him. Mr. Hafizul, you should put on, so that people will endorse you. So it is basically enrich your profile. So understand what I'm talking about? Okay. Any students? Any question asked, or I'm giving you sometimes to add some skills in your profile, so that. And one advice I'll give you, that ask other person to endorse you. Ask your teacher, student. Ask your teacher to endorse you, so that the rest of the world will understand. Okay, you have the skill, and another person endorsed you. Okay. And we should endorse our students for their better future. That obviously we should endorse very true skills. That is, I have already known that he or she has. Okay. Bintang shows us. Yeah, nice. But I know Bintang is for what is called Bintang. Bintang is a bachelor student of which? Bachelor of students of which media, or the media? Okay, the media and communication. So Bintang should have a cover photo. The profile picture is almost okay, but it should be 60% your face. I cannot see your I cannot see your eyes very okay. Now it's okay, but if you put your face 60% of overall, it's a less than 30%. Your face is the area of the profile photo, and you should put the cover photo should be focus on your media and communication. Take a picture in the media communication, what is called the media communication type. Maybe Mr. Hafizul advise better that what should be your what is cover photo should be your goes to your professional network, because this Al Bukhara International University, the logo is focuses in you are the students of that university, but the LinkedIn profile should be your professional network. The obviously Al Bukhara International University will be your part, because you see the whatever you are in, the Al Bukhara International University is linked. So you should put the cover photo as your professional areas. Okay. Then I would skills you have. Please on your endorsement so that I can endorse you, that you have public speaking. So whatever endorsement I can, if I see you that you are giving public space in front of our audience in university in any forum or any event, that should be better to endorse you. Okay. So put the skills, video production. Okay, maybe Mr. Hafizul endorse you that your knowledge is the huge knowledge of video production. Understand? Please see the endorsement. Okay. Mm. You see, this is the endorsement. But why I am not giving you the endorsement? I cannot give. You should open the endorsement to so that people will endorse you. Understand? Muntasir Ahmed.
Yes, sir. I think we need to follow each other first. I mean, we need to connect with each other first.
Yeah, first you have to. Oh, yeah, that means maybe. So, one another thing is grow your network. Is see my profile. See my profile, my network. I'll show you my network. Is my connection is 6,374. Still, I have the requested people. 61 request I have in my. I should accept, because the person is from Bangladesh, the Daffodil International University. I'm just accepting. So many people are there. See, maybe it's a student of Al Bukhari. Now you are okay. As Bintang is there. Mm. So I will accept one after another later on, because please grow your network. The Facebook network is not giving you professional benefits in Facebook, but the LinkedIn will benefit you in professionally. So please enlarge your network in professional platform like LinkedIn. So should I go forth? Now, now the recommendation part. See,
Mr. Rashid, there's like a bit difference between LinkedIn and Facebook. If like someone view your profile, it will be like notifying you that someone has already viewed your profile. Not like
Your voice was broken.
I mean, I actually when someone view your LinkedIn profile will notify you about it. But
Okay.
someone haven't view your Facebook profile, you are not getting notified.
Oh,
There's a bit difference between LinkedIn and Facebook.
yeah, LinkedIn, the notification basically, the Facebook is the huge network because of the from every aspects of professionals, non-professionals, casuals, everybody using the Facebook. So that means it's a huge gathering. So how to distinguish professional people from the Facebook? The notification is coming from Facebook because we are using Facebook messengers tremendously every time, and even we are using Facebook app in our mobile. That's why its notification is coming very soon. But the LinkedIn, you have to use the LinkedIn app, and you have to use notification from. You can get notification in your Gmail or email systems, so that you can get notification anyway. But you can notification. You see the use notification coming from. See, someone is notified. Well, so liking me is okay. Someone is uh, give post on my post is I was a guest lecturer series. I was the expert on guest lecture series in one university, and that university gathers. He or she tell me that it was a wonderful session conducted by you, and it's a recognition. So be vibrant in your professional network, because the professional people will care about your network. So you will be notified whether how much you are using your professional network. You are notified by Facebook Messenger, Facebook app, because you are using the Facebook. That's why you are getting a notification. When you go for the LinkedIn profile, then the LinkedIn will give you the notification. That is up to your use. This is also a machine learning algorithm, that how much you are interested on that which topic. I'm getting huge notification from LinkedIn. Sometimes I just delete my email, the email from the LinkedIn. Is that okay, Mr. Usaid? Have I understood your question?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
So if I go to the next section, like I'm going to view profile. Next section is for most important. It's a recognition. It's a recommendation from. When we send CV to any other organization for so we need the recommendation. The recommender reference like that. Okay. So this is live recommendation. The recommendation from Mohammed Sibli Shariar, head of the employability 360 degree Darfur International University, and he recommend me in this way. Is Rashid Bhai. Bhai is the brother, in Bangla. Rashid Bhai is very religious, polite, intelligent person who seems to be free from pride and ego. And to me, he is a person of good attitude. And though I didn't happen to work with him directly, I like his friendly behavior towards everybody, as I have seen. May Allah grant him peace in this. It's a recognition. It's a normal recognition, recommendation. Okay, one I'm showing you This is a one single line recommendation. We are in the same group. That means KM Hassan Ripon is my colleague in Daffodil. He is recommend me that okay, we are in the group. That is recognition. Another recognition is, this is the job recognition. What I have done, we DCL Daffodil Computers Limited. He is a DGM, Deputy General Manager of Daffodil Computers Limited, and he recommend me that this way had a dream. We had a dream of business ERP software. Had a dream. It's come true now. For a long time, Rashid Karim and his team have fulfilled our dream. It was a great job. Thanks, Rashid Bhai and his team. So it's a recognition, a recommendation for my job, for my what I have done. So if I give, okay, I have built this ERP solution. From where? I have give these ERP solutions like where is that one? Okay, where is that one? This is accomplishment. If I go for the project, see, I have put this business ERP. Business ERP, I built this business ERP solutions, and it's another, my development team was there. One person is already linked in with this, the business ERP. It was a huge project, and that project owner was the Daffodil Computers Limited, and the DGM of Daffodil Computers Limited is giving me his recommendation that it's a tremendous, it's a huge real life recommendation. So this is, they know me very well. That's why they can give me the recognition. Okay. One is a very casual, hi Rashid Karim. That is what is called. That is, he knows me. This is recommendation. This is not a recommendation. So a recommendation is carry some value in your professional career. Okay. So you have to ask some persons, please recommend me. Please, because now you are the students, you should get recommendation from your teacher. That the teacher will give you recommendation from among the students. I found him or her, and like the intelligent, most intelligent, and a more what called the man of word, like that. Okay, he has the tremendous skill on that. He has a nice, good attitude. I find him a nice person, like that. Most of our students, if you get this type of recommendation from your surrounding, who knows you very well, it will carry your focus on your career. It will be achievements. It will be your gems, like the jewels you already got from the recommendation from the what is called your surrounding. So it's a nice thing for getting recommendation. Hey, do you have any question? I'm talking too much. Do you have any? Dr. Kamalesh, recommendation can be requested from the former employee or colleagues. Yeah, because they know very well how you perform there. And for fresh graduates, students can request a recommendation from the lecturers. Great.
Yeah, this is why you have had another task for us to do. Now we
Yeah.
are our students' skills.
Skills and recommendations, okay? Just start from now so that you can achieve more. Yeah. Thanks, Miss Mariam. We can create our own event. Okay. I'm just completing this one first. So accomplish means That means what you have done with this. You have conducted or you have participated these courses. You have what you know the languages. What organizations you performed. Other organizations, international software. That is, if you are the member of anybody, the organizations you are. I'm the member of CTFL working group in ISTQB. I'm the CTFL working member group. It's a working group member this is the International Software Testing and Qualification Board, ISTQB. And I had the treasurer of this Shamiti, like the society in Bangladesh, obviously. In Bangladesh Software Testing Board, I'm the senior executive of this board, executive member. So that means you can create your own involvement with the social entrepreneurs, the social bodies we have. You are the member of these, what is called the social activities. If anything in our society, you can part of the technological any society like CTO forum in Malaysia, like that. And I have put some work in that I have done some projects. Not I just put some of them. So this is mostly the basic configuration or basic elements of creating your profile. Do you have any question? After that, I'll discuss some points like the security. And another thing I need to give you a snapshots. Like it is very important to brand yourself. That is, you see the Bintang Astana dash 878A something, cannot be memorized. But if you want to see my one, this linkedin.com/in/Rashid Karim. Just you put the name here, just Rashid Karim. How to do that? That I have done through edit public profile setting. So this is a public profile setting. This is important part. What basically you will do, that is your edit your custom URL. So what you have done for the custom URL, I'm showing another profile that I have started. This is the Rashid Karim dash this, this is the new one. So what I need to do, I need to create my own profile, okay? The custom profile. What I should do? I need to edit this one, okay, Rashid Karim. Let me check whether it is. Save it. No, because it's a unique. Your profile, this part should be unique so that the total URL will be unique. So that is not available. So what I need to do, okay, I will put M in between M, or I can put dash only. It's a free. Now it's okay. So what you have to do, you have to create your own profile URL. So now you just, if I want to write this profile, okay, this profile, if I put dash, okay, let me check whether it's coming. Oh, it's coming because this is the new one. This is not the old, this is the new one. It's coming. So this is most important, that you have to have the, what is called, the edit. Okay, this one. Okay, this one. So you have to create your own custom profile URL. So this is important. I see that, yeah, Hafizul, Mr. Hafizul has the custom, see the full name. Nice. Okay. I want to say this one. This is not the, Montasir. You should create your personal URL. Like, don't put this type of name. Hibo has also the, you should put the name. Okay, then what next? Then you have to on off your the accessibility from the rest of the world. Okay, what you have to do, the basic requirements. Your profile is public, visible. I put it on. If you put it off, nobody will see you. See, nothing is visible. Nothing is visible. So I want to open it on. So everything is visible now. What is visible? It is shown here. It is shown here. Okay, it is visible. It is shown here. But the basic and the profile photo. If you want to show your profile photo, that is the four options. Okay, the four options is there. The first option is the first degree of connections. What is the first degree of connections? You see my profile. See, Mr. Osaid is my first. That means relation is the first. And this one is the second. Why this is second? Because he is my friend's friend. Karim Abdullah is second. So Karim Abdullah is a friend of my friend. Okay. So how many? First, second, third, maybe more than that. So you see, it is my first. Is the second. Abdul Shakur is my second, because we our previous the former vice deputy vice chancellor. He is my the first friend in my LinkedIn. So what is basically, if you click this one, that means your profile photo will be shown to your friend, like, okay, the first connection. If we put a network, that means the connection will be up to 3 degree. Up to 3 degree, not more than that. So up to 3 degree is called your network, okay, because up to 3 degree people will see you at least. And if you put all LinkedIn members, that means whether you are friend or after beyond the 3 level, they will also see you. And if you put it public, those can see who is not member of LinkedIn. So from the public point of view, anyone can type my LinkedIn profile to see whether it will be visible. If I want to go to my, what is called my, I want to see my, no. If I put any, what is called, maybe I didn't do, no, I didn't link here. Okay, you can link your profile. You can link your profile to your, the signature in your, the bottom of the signature of your email, so that people will get touch with you. You can see, they can see your LinkedIn profile. Okay. And then go to the background photo if you want to show and hide. So headline you want to show, hide. So everything you have control. You have control every piece of information. That is most important, that how much you want to show and how much you just want to off from the, you can hide and show. So this is all about of the LinkedIn profile creation. Do we have any questions, or have I missed anything? Oh, I have missed two things. One is get started with recruitment. One is job. This is a job. And before going to job, I just want to show how to grow your network. The connection it's a one-to-one connections. The contacts you have from your Gmail or any contact you have, and the people you follow. That people you see, people is following. That means the 6,591 people is following me, and this is this is the followers. Okay, and this is the following. The people are following me. These people are following me, my profile. Okay, and so I'm following. Following what? Following Economic Times, then Amazon. So many. I can follow the people. I can follow the group. I can follow the company. There's a TED conference I'm following, so that I can get information from any event from TED. So many. If I want to follow anyone, so that why this is more, 6,500, because 372 persons I'm following, and 600 more than that. That one I'm following the group, following the company, following the concern, any concern. Okay, follow the fresh perspective. You can follow. You can follow the 10 minutes. You can follow the Bikash. It's a following from the different. Okay, you can follow and get touch with the different groups. You see, I have get touch with different groups. Q and testing group, NCC education alumni. This is the ISTQB certification body. Interrupt in USA, they are event management group. The NTF through Bangladesh companies. So many groups I'm following, so that I get touch with them. I have requested. No, I did. That means I have requested, but or you can create new group from here. So this way you can create page. You can create event. You can create event also. You can create and you can follow event. So everything is professionally. You can get touch with the real world, all over the world. What basically going on in your professional career, you can get touch huge. Then I'm going to the, and even you can you can touch with the newsletters. Maybe it's slow. Yeah, the emotional intelligence, the artificial intelligence, like that. Okay, you can get your interest. Okay, you can go for a hashtag. So many hashtag you can follow or you can create. Now you see that that's the invitation sections, and you may know them. That is the LinkedIn give suggestion me that you may know them. You may know them. You see, you may know them for Al-Bukhari International University. People are there. Okay, then go for job. You can search job. Okay, before searching job, you just put where basically you want to get job. If I go for Malaysia, yeah, now there's so many jobs is there in Malaysia. You can get a job notification from LinkedIn, or you can filter the job criteria, like if you want to give, okay, human resource manager, I want to get the notification as a human resource manager. You see, so many human resource manager required for different companies. So you will be get notifications. You can apply from here. Are you interested on job, on salary? Yes or no? So they will notify, the job recruiter will notify you that you are interested to go for this job. Okay, understand? Or you can post your job also if you are employer. You can filter so many things. You can put the job type, full-time or part-time or internship you want to. The students can get internship from here. You see? So those who are struggling to getting internship from, you can apply from them. Okay. So get touch with network, your professional network, and this is the list I'm telling you for the accounts and privacy. After that, I will just end up this my session, and it will be open for your questionnaire. So this is your account preference, sign up securities. This is most important, sign up securities. If you want to if you want to change your email, you can do. The phone number. If you want to change the password from here, and another most important is two-step verification. It is off because if I turn it on, that means there are some options. Authenticator app, then you need to download the Authenticator app. That app will notify whether you are getting, or you can give the phone number to get SMS, the PIN code. That is the one-time code, what is called the OTP, one-time password. That someone is going to log in or someone is breaking a password. They will not do. They will not perform, because if you set the two-step verification, the system will notify you your passcode, one-time passcode. That passcode is required to get into your profile. So the thing is the sign of security, the visibility, if already I have shown, but it's the central point of visibility. You can the communications between LinkedIn, and you can put the push pull systems for email received via your primary email or any other. You can set. You can set the notifications from where you can put the conversation on, the enterprise product on, jobs on, network on. So everything is on. You can put off and on also. I don't want to see the conversation and post. So I need to put off so that nothing will come to me, notifications. If I email or not, individually or group, you can put it as okay, weekly or off. You can off this or weekly digest, not every day. So you can set on off. Okay. Then I'm going to skipping something. I'm going to who can reach you. That is invitation can be. I put it everyone. Everyone can invite me to become a friend. You can put only the people you know from the email address and appear in the import contact list. Nobody will then give you the friend request. Okay, only people who appear in your import contact. Okay, so put it everyone first. Whether they will you will accept our invitation or not, that is your control. Then I'm going to data privacy, like the manage your data and activity. Does LinkedIn give you the huge setting for your data privacy? The permitted application or lost access to your LinkedIn data, you can manage it. I'm just not giving you every details for everyone. I'm just make you on board so that you can change by yourself by studying. You updated job application setting. You can manage the full profile for applying job or not. So then job seeking preference, you see the job seeking preference, job application setting, I'm telling you. Okay. Now other applications permitted service or not. You can upload your profile or job a stored job applicant account. You can change this one. It's a close. You can, okay. So this is all about for our LinkedIn basic profile setting. I hope it will help you in your career. Those who are our students, even those who already in employment status, they also will have the tremendous benefit in our professional network building. Thank you very much. So do you have any questions? Ask me or ask our cluster advisors so that we all together will give your answer. Now the mic is yours.
Okay, thank you. We open up for the questions. If there's still anyone, we still have time. If there is any question, or Mr. Rashid, if you'd like to add any other tips or advices for the final remarks.
Yeah, after asking any questions, if they have, please update your profile in LinkedIn. It will may or it will open your professional network very nicely. People will know your expertise, your interest, your attitudes, so that the employer even this is no, I'm just giving you only for the job seekers like that, but LinkedIn profile, LinkedIn is not only for the job seekers. LinkedIn also for the company, who are giving the job post, the human resource management systems. They can also use this LinkedIn for getting expertise on. So LinkedIn is now is must, because most of the professional networking platform we use, the LinkedIn is number one. So I hope this by profile creations of our students, the zero unemployment, the profile will not basically solve the unemployment problem, but it will enhance your employment issues, because if you give more time to enrich your LinkedIn profile, you need to have some skills. You need to go for the skill up program. LinkedIn also have the training module, and so that you can skill up for the cutting edge technologies and the cutting edge requirements in our industry in the world. And another remarks I want to say, because the pandemic situations, everybody is doing job from home, so nobody who is there where from anywhere else, any organization from anywhere in the world, you can perform any job. So now the world is a global village. So for the professional network, the people are getting job from different countries from the world. So it will be very a focusing point to get your professional LinkedIn profile. Thank you very much.
Hello, sir. Can you hear
Yeah.
me?
Yeah.
Yeah, go Akram.
I have one simple question. Actually, I miss one point. Like, where you can find the basic requirement, like turn on who can see my profile. I don't find actually that option.
The basic requirements I showed you that the only the photo if you should put everything in public.
Everything public.
Everything public, okay, for now, because all the students, those who make it private or make it very within the network, because what there is a huge profile they have, they don't want to listen from the crowd. That's why they put the public profile, not touch with the everybody. But for the students, you should put public, everything public.
Okay, sir. Thanks.
And another thing I'll suggest you, put some post in LinkedIn that that related to your profession. That whatever you have in Al Bukhara International University, an event, put the event pictures or videos in your LinkedIn profile, so that even as a post, like a Facebook post we are giving, create a post that you have event this LinkedIn the event in your education university, that you have done this one, so that people at least know that what you are doing.
Okay, I would like to remind everyone who have participant all the participants in this workshop that I have actually sent a link, a Google document link or Google form link. Please fill it up and it does a confirmation of your attendance. And please write your name and your email correctly, so it will appear in your e-certificate. And I would like to thank everyone who have participated in this workshop. Thank you so much. And I also would like to deliver the thankful of all the Zero Unemployment Cluster advisors, me, myself, and Dr. Hafinas, Dr. Kamalish, Ms. Maria, and also Mr. Rashid. We all hope that we can have more advisors in our cluster. And thank you so much. To this end, maybe we can say thanks to our trainer for his